What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mom Duke's behind me with her corona mask on. But today's video is a little different. Give me a second. So today's video is on the Nissan Altima. Pretty much I got up this morning to go to work and it had like a hard, cold crank and didn't want to fire over. So finally got it to fire over. Got to work a few minutes late, etc., etc. Went on about my whole day. Never drove the car around. Nothing. Just chilled out. And the next thing I know, ooh, hold on for a minute. Might got something good. So just want to let you guys know. No, I didn't get nothing. That's all for my sister. But I did want to let you guys know. See you later, UPS guy. That we are doing a giveaway. We're in our last 2 weeks right now for this giveaway. For you to enter, you have to like 3 of my videos. You have to like one of them. Like 3 of my videos. Comment on one of them. Repost it and share and tag me in it. How any means, get back with me. Let me know. If you do it down in the comments, I still will accept that. How any means. That way you guys can go ahead and be entered into the giveaway. The giveaway, I will do a live on October 1st. Probably sometime that afternoon after I get off work. So, yeah. The first place is a $100 gift card. The second place is a $50 gift card. And the third place is a steering wheel that I have purchased that I'm probably not going to use now since I think about it. But anyway, let's get on for today's video. Oh, and by the way, I upload videos only on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I no longer do it Monday through Saturday. It's just been a little hectic for me, so I'm trying to work with a schedule that's going to work good for me. So today's video, we are changing out this battery. This battery's been with this car since I first owned it, and this is part of the culprit, I believe. So it's nothing. If anybody knows how to change batteries, it's pretty much a bolt here. You take this off. You take a bolt off right here. You unhook your ground. You unhook your power, and boom, everything should come loose. And I believe you unhook this little bracket too while you're here. So I'll get right back with you guys and let you know what sockets and bolts you're going to need for this. You will need a 10mm socket on a 1/2-inch drive to do this job. So pretty much that should be 10, 10, 10. And yep, all is 10 for on these Nissan Altima. This is a 2017. Alright. And I had to go back in and get another wrench. So, because of this being so short, guys, see how much space? I don't know if that does it any justice. Yeah, there's no space, so I just got me a little wrench. We'll unturn this bad boy. So as you guys can see, I took the battery out of there. Woohoo, it's out. Bracket right there. So here goes the old battery, here goes the new battery. Let me put them both together. Okay guys, so we back. For what I can understand, this battery has a 12 volts, of course, like all batteries, 12 volts. Well, I don't know if all of them is 12 volts. 12 volts. This has 640 cranking cold amps, 100 RC. You'll get 5H whatever, 20 hours rating battery. And this is a door cell battery. I spent like $259 for this battery. So hopefully this battery should fix any other problem that I got going on, or that could possibly be the problem. I'm consuming. If it's not this battery, then it's going to be this wonderful, wonderful freaking alternator. And I'm not changing that. It's going right back to the dealership. I mean, this car still got warranty. And I'm not trying to avoid my warranty just yet, even though my warranty is running down, but I'm not trying to destroy it. Okay, so on this battery right here is the stock one. I'm not really sure what it is, the cold cranking amps on this bad boy. Oh, there it is, right there. Cold cranking amps. That's what's at 555. Another whatever that is, another 555. So yeah, this one was rated at 555. This one's rated at 640. So this should have better cold cranking amps. Look at that. Mother and daughter. Fond moments. Alright guys, and a few minutes later now the battery's in. So about to go turn this car over, see what it does. And we go ahead from there. But I guarantee you should be able to start up and crank up and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so we got power. Now let's see what happens. Hold on, I need two hands. There she goes. Starts up fine. No problem. Strong as an ox. Long live the car. So yeah, I'm happy for that. Everything's good. And it turned out alright. Got the car back up and running. So we shall see in the next couple of days if we have the same issues or not. Hopefully not. If I do, you'll hear about it in the next Friday video or whenever. Just a quick post on Instagram. So you guys, I'm about to go down and talk to my sister, see if I can plug her in on some things real quick. Look who it is, my niece. That's my baby niece. Hi! What's up? Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look at the doggy. What's her name? Jasmine? The dog's name is Jasmine. Oh my goodness. What you doing? What you doing? You are doing something. We got you on. You know this is going in the video, right? Yep, this is going in the video. Now you want to be camera shy. Y'all, she used to do all these dance moves and everything, and now she want to be camera shy. You're lucky I don't know no links. I can add you into it. You're lucky I don't know no links. I can add you into this video. I would tag them all into it. Ah, the dog got me. But yeah, this is a pretty little girl. Hey, what's up? Yep, this is going on my YouTube channel. Say hello to all my subscribers. Hey, this is my little niece. I wish
my YouTube is called Kaya Evans.
Oh, that's your YouTube channel?
Yep, I need help.
Come on. Plug it in. What's your YouTube channel called?
Kaya Evans.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Kaya Evans, but it's 2 dots.
How many videos we got up here, Kaya Evan?
I got about 3.
About 3? Do you post a lot?
Sort of.
How you gonna want people to come if you ain't post? But we can still.
I think my comments are off.
Oh, okay. Well, post more videos. But yeah, go check her out. I don't know what she's got going on her channel.
It's right here.
Let me see it. Pull it up. Hey, Jasmine. Hey.
Hey, let me see.
Hey. What's up?
Oh, it's right here. It's called, this is right here, but it's
Let me see it.
right here.
Let me see your phone.
It's right here. Hold on.
Alright, guys. So, this is her channel.
The one that said pizza and whatever.
Kaya Evans. She has 2 subscribers, so we got to get her boosted up. Yes. This is my niece, my little niece. Look at that first video. First video. Good life. Huh. Yep. So yeah. Give her a follow, y'all. Give her a follow. Hold on real quick. There we go. Yeah, your uncle about to yeah, your uncle going to the ad. Go out to subscribe. I'm about to get ready to subscribe. I'm going to end up subscribing to your channel, baby. Alright. There you guys go. Go subscribe. So yeah, guys. Before I go, just got to put air in my mother's tire from the other side. And that should be good. That is the lineup. That's gonna probably be the next video back there for sale. Cars for sale back there. Anybody that's interested. Asking for 2,000 or best offer. So we'll talk about that more in Friday's video. So yeah. So it's getting later in the day. I'm about to wrap this video up, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Sorry this video was a little short today. This was not the plan to do this video, but I had to drop something for today, so sorry. Other than that, you guys take care. Have a wonderful Wednesday. See y'all next time. Oh, and do not forget that giveaway is still going on. You could enter. Just hit three likes on 3 different videos. But you guys take care. Like I said, I'm out. Enough rambling. See y'all on the next episode of Low and Slow Garage. Making business moves over here.